Good morning, everyone. I am your teacher Shelly Palta from California Public School. Hope so you all are fine. Stay at home, stay healthy. So, my dear learners, open your cursive writing book at page number 17. So, today we are going to do our next cursive letter, and it is letter U, and the phonetic sound of letter U is A. Before start to learn formation of this letter, let's revise few words related to a sound as like umbrella, umbrella, a undergarment, a undergarment, a un, a un, a underground train, a underground train. So now let's learn the formation. First of all, we will do this bold hollow pattern with the help of crayon. So take any crayon of your choice and point it on dot. While pointing over here, make a slant line and go upward. Then again you will come back. Then while giving a slightly round curve, you will go once again up, then come down and give a slightly tail curve like this. So at least you will revise this pattern with crayon 5 times, and after that you will attempt this pattern with the help of pencil. So now let me teach you that how you will write down single time U, double U and triple time U. So now let's learn. First of all, point your pencil on dot, then go up. Keep in mind that small U always come in only middle two lines. Then while making a slanting line, you will come down, again make a slightly curve and go up. Now come back on same curve and give a slightly tail like this. Once again, go up, come down. Now while giving a slightly curve, you will go up, then again come back on same curve and give a slightly tail like this. So now let's do the joining. So now point your pencil over here, go up. Now you will come down, and keep in mind that it should be separate than the slanting line. Then again giving a slightly curve, you will go up. Then again back, you will come back on same curve, and now you will not lift up your pencil. Once again you will go up, then you will come down, and while giving a slightly round, you will go up, then again come down and give a slightly curve like this and leave it over here. Keep in mind that these both you should look separate. It should not be joined with each other. See now how you will write down thrice time. Keep your pencil here, go up, come down. While giving a slightly curve, you will once again go up, come down. Now while giving slightly difference, again you will go up, come down, again go up, come down, then giving a slightly curve, again you will go up, then you will come down, again go up, come down. Now give a slightly curve and leave it over here. Once again learn how you will write down. Keep your pencil here, go up, again you will come down, and while giving here slightly round curve, again you will go up, then again you will come down, again go up, come down, up, come down and give a slightly curve and leave it over here. Now see, go up, come down, up, come down, up, come down. While giving a slightly curve, again go up, come down, up, come down, up, come down and give a slightly curve like this. So my dear learners, hope so that you understood that how you have to write down single time and how you have to do joining. Just keep in mind that they both letters should seem different. It should not be joined with each other. Okay, so bye bye everyone.